Alrighty, so I'm going to go over how to post grades and how to post comments for report card, not for progress book, report cards. So I'm on my gradebook page. Let me start with language art. So I'm going to click on my language art course, and let's say I'm done with this. Now I'm going to go where it says for comments, posting, and it says post comments. And then obviously there are many options. I'm going to click on the one that says report card 1. Now when you go in there, you can put comments up to 4 comments for each child. I would definitely put comments for reading and math courses. You have to go back and put comments for each of the courses, but I would definitely put some comments for reading and math for sure. And maybe 1 comment for science and social studies. But reading and math, I will put at least 2 or 3. So when I'm in here, if you don't know the codes, because we got to put it in by number, you can click on the top where it says View Comment Code. 1 through 6 is what Skyward created. 100 through 150 is what district created for us. So for one of my students who receives 504 accommodations, I would definitely put that into the comment. If they are receiving ELL accommodation, which is for our ESOL students, I would definitely put that in. If the student is receiving interventions, definitely put it in. And different comments are on there for you to look for and put it in. So you are putting by number. So let's say I want to put let's say I want to put 102, 110, and 115. So I will go 110 and then go to the next column, 115. You see that it is turning red because I haven't saved it. I'm not going to save it right now because I don't want that to be on the comment because I haven't really thought what comments I'm going to put for each student. But once you click save, it will turn to green. So you make sure you are putting the comment that you want. I would leave the comment the window open, obviously, to make sure I'm putting the correct one in. Once you put everyone's comment in, you can hit save. Default comment is, if I click on one of this, it will apply for every student in the classroom. So make sure you are clicking on the correct one if you want to do the massive assignment. But after you do that, click save. I'm going to click back for now because I haven't put anything. And then when you go back to the main screen, after you put all the grades in and after you put all the comments in, I'm going to go to where it says RC1 option. Now, under RC1 option, if you have to make the adjustment for grades for like our ESOL students and things like that, you are going to click on Enter Term RC1 Grade Adjustments. When you click on that, you can put a new grade in that will override what we already have if that's needed. So that's something you can look into if you have some grades to change, the overall grade, not the each individual assignment. And then when you actually post, I'm not going to go through the actual step that was shared before. I'm just going to go the easy way. You are going to click on the option, grade posting status for term RC1. You are going to say posting complete and mark all as completed. This has to be done for each of the courses. Each of the classes, how to navigate, we talked about it before. If you hover over classes, you can actually go through each of it. So let's say I want to do math next. I'm going to click on the math and then posting comments right here, post comments, and then I already put the comments for this one because this child is actually receiving 504 services. But you can see that after I save it, it turns green. And then I'm going to save it, go back. And then when I go back, once again, if you want to post it, make sure you're posting on the RC1, not PR1. Go to RC1 option. If you want to make the adjustment, it's right here. It says grade adjustment. If you want to post the grade, which means don't do it until you are actually done with it. you are going to post complete and mark all as completed. I would do the comments first before you actually post the grades for the entire class, just in case. Just a thought. I think we should just put the comments first and then finalize everything. So make sure you are doing comments for each of the class: science, social studies, health. There's math, and there's ELA. So that's how we post comments and post grades for report cards. Thank you for watching.